In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a contact online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a friend's contact card to someone else in a chat quickly and safely. Start by opening the Line app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, you might be asked to log in. Go ahead and sign in with your usual method. Keeping your app updated helps ensure the buttons and labels you see look like what I'm describing here. Next, open the chat with the person you want to send the contact to. This can be an individual chat or a group chat. Either works. It's important to share contacts only with people you trust and only share details your friend would be comfortable with. The contact you send will include their Line profile, not private information like phone numbers, unless that friend has chosen to display it on their profile. At the bottom of the chat screen, look for the plus icon next to the message box. It's usually in the lower left corner. If your keyboard is covering the area, tap the message box once to hide the keyboard and reveal the plus icon. Tap that plus icon to open the sharing menu. From the menu that pops up, tap Contact. It's the one with a silhouette-style icon. This is different from options like photos or stickers, so make sure you pick Contact to send a Line Friends profile. On the next screen, choose Share Line Friends. This tells the app that you want to send an existing Line Friends contact card to your chat. You'll now see your list of Line friends. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find the person you want to share. Double-check the display name and profile picture so you're sending the right contact, especially if you have friends with similar names. When you found the correct friend, check the box next to their name. In some versions, you can select more than one, but if you're unsure, just choose one to avoid confusion. When you're ready, tap Select or Send. The wording may vary slightly depending on your device, but both complete the share. You'll see a contact card appear right in the chat. The recipient can tap it to view the profile and add the person as a friend if they choose. If you don't see the contact option or your friend isn't listed, make sure they're already your Line friend and consider updating the app. That's it. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching and happy sharing online.